have you been to the vet lately? If so, you know it's not cheap.
No, it's not. If you're like a lot of pet owners, you probably asked yourself, should I get pet insurance?
Yeah, News 6 anchor and insider guide Crystal Moyer is here to help you answer that exact question.
Ask any consumer expert and they'll tell you the answer isn't always easy when it comes to whether or not you should get pet insurance. Consumer Reports shares some of the benefits of the different pet insurance providers and how they stack up when it comes to customer satisfaction. When asked if he's a dog or a cat person, Consumer Reports investigative reporter Brian Vines answers both. He's the proud papa of a dog named Logo and a cat named Phoebe who recently had an injury.
We opened the door and Phoebe came in and she was very timid and stayed low to the ground. And she had a little spot on her hind leg. And we were like, what has happened?
Brian does not have pet insurance, so treating Phoebe would be entirely out of pocket.
Pet insurance was always one of those things in the back of our minds, like, oh, we ought to do that.
But is pet insurance something you should consider? For the first time, Consumer Reports evaluated and rated 8 pet insurance providers based on a survey of its members with insured pets, looking at things such as premiums, what's covered, the claims process, and whether people had a choice in which vets to see.
We found that most people just aren't that satisfied with their pet insurance.
6 of the insurance providers earned just a mid-range overall satisfaction score, and 2 bottomed out with unfavorable ratings. If you're considering pet insurance, there are some things you should know. Pre-existing conditions are typically not covered. There's also usually annual caps. If you hit that limit, you'll have to pay out of pocket. You may be responsible for paying the provider directly and then file for reimbursement with the insurance company. So is pet insurance worth it?
If you're looking for a return on investment, maybe not so much, but if you value peace of mind, pet insurance may be something that you want to pursue.
Another option, telehealth, which is what Brian used.
Got instruction on how to clean the wound and a prescription for antibiotics that was delivered right to our door.
And thankfully, Phoebe healed just fine using only 1 of her 9 lives. Another alternative option may be to bring your pet to an accredited veterinary medical college, which may be able to offer discounts on everything from routine care visits to spaying and neutering. You can find more details on Consumer Reports ratings of pet insurance providers on clickorlando.com/insider.
All right, Crystal, thank you.